Guangzhou Dongyu Textile have excellent quality and technological innovation. We develop over 500 original fabrics annually, ensuring strict control from the source. Factory has introduced lots of high-quality imported machinery and equipment to improve efficiency and quality. The factory's production concept emphasizes fast speed and stability, enabling efficient response to customer demands for quick delivery without compromising on quality. We have complete equipment and stable factory personnel, make it easy to quickly replace parts to meet the needs of different customers. We also provide OEM services, keep customer needs confidential, provide personalized solutions, and constantly develop new products to meet market trends. Additionally, our fabric meeting both national and American, European quality standards, resulting in higher usage rates and reduced defect rates compared to industry averages. Why choose Dongyu Textile as your top choice? Yarn innovation and production, mature production line for great fabric, professional post-finishing process, international R&D team, swift new collection development. Stock available for all items in all colors. Please feel free to contact us if you want to refer our hanger or color card. We look forward to collaborating with you.